Morning, guys. So it's 8:23. I keep turning off my alarms. My back hurts. It actually hurts. But today's the first day of school. Luckily, we have a Zoom class, so I don't have to move an inch. My laptop is right there. I just need to log in to the program. I went to sleep at about 4:20 a.m. Editing skills. Oh, 3 minutes to time. I probably should wake up. Oh, I really should start with yoga again. I worked out yesterday, so my back. But it's so exciting to start going to the gym again. I'm back and I'm better, and I feel like I needed at that time to just focus on school and to focus on, like, I wanted to gain a bit of weight so I could, turn that into muscle later. But I think I'm on the right track with that. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you're new here, my name is 𝗙𝗏, and today I'm gonna show you guys my daily life in Norway, so I hope you enjoy. We're going to be having a webinar for 2 days teaching us about, like, kids with problems, how to solve it, if what I've understood is correct, of course. And then we have to send in an exercise that we do as a group on Friday. I just want to get this done with. I promised myself that I'm going to take school seriously this term, or more seriously, of course, and attend all classes, not put work first and stuff like that. So far so good, honey.
A few moments later.
Guys, I cannot believe I filmed this in slow motion, but you know what? This was part of the day. I don't want to take it back. Regardless, I think what I was trying to say in the video was I'm getting ready to go work out. I made a plan for myself to work out 6 days a week this year. So it's basically 312 days altogether. I don't know what I was doing there, but I'm probably trying to show you guys that I got a beer belly because I've been drinking lately. Okay, girl, calm down. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Oof, giving bodies too. But anyway, that's me getting ready for the gym. Today was Thursday. No, today was Wednesday, I think. After school, I was so tired. I took the nap. I went to the store just to check out, what did you call this, microwaves, because I need one. I feel like it's a lot of work. Coming home, you're tired, then you have to, like, turn on the gas and use the frying pan to heat up some food. I think it's a lot of work, and so I just thought that having a microwave would be the best option for me. Yeah. And then Isaiah called me, so I had to go meet him. So it was just talking about when we're gonna meet and how. We went grocery shopping. Oh my god, this part hurts my heart a lot because I was so excited to film this. I had to even invite someone to film me to get the angles right and stuff. But I was just trying to show you guys my fridge organization skills. Basically, don't get it twisted. I did take some notes from Pinterest, but I did it all by myself. Look at how green it's looking. Very, very healthy. Like, oh my god, girl, you do eat vegetables. Like, you eat yogurt? Yes, I do, babes. Then I made some food dinner for us to eat, tikka masala with some rice. Honestly, I just bought the mix, tikka masala mix from the store, but nobody needs to know that, okay? Nobody needs to know. So I made some food the next day. Why did I not check my camera? I don't know. Like, I should double check that everything is in order before I start filming as a professional videographer would. Well, obviously, I trust myself and I trust my skills so much. I just pick up my camera and press the record button, not even double checking. So don't be like me, double check. This is me walking. From the background, I'm guessing that I'm on my way to the gym. Just me again, trying to tell you guys. Emphasis on the gym, working out, being productive, just being disciplined. It is not easy. 6 days a week, it's a lot. And I'm a university student, guys. So it's not like I have all the time in the world, but I do make time because this is something that I plan to do for myself, for my health, and for my growth in 2023.
Guys, today's workout was a success as always, but I really need to get back into yoga. My body's so stiff. I feel like I did some stretching and it just I wanted to take the sauna today, but I'm like, I have things to do, so I'm just gonna get ready and go. I need to be smart. I used it yesterday and 2 days ago, so it's fine. I can sacrifice today. I'm precious. Hey guys, so I'm at work. It's 6:15 p.m. So yesterday I was like, I am gonna go to IKEA today no matter what, and I did. After school I did go to the gym. After the gym I had to go return a book at the library that I was supposed to do yesterday. So I returned the book and I was like, okay, let me just take the bus directly to IKEA. Now the bus was supposed to take 20 minutes. It ended up taking 1 hour 20 minutes. It got stuck about 5 stops before the IKEA place, so we had to wait for like an hour. God, I was so tired. You know when you're just tired, not even tired but mostly bored, and that boredom brings sleep. And so I'm gonna close my eyes very soon if we don't get there. We got there. Finally I got the chopping boards. I was like, I need the chopping boards, I really do. So I got the chopping boards, but then I was like, if I take the bus back, I'm probably gonna get stuck, and I have work at 6 p.m. It's about 4:45 at this time. So I was like, I'll just take the bus to the nearest metro station, because I think the metro always works. So I took it to the metro station. I had to go deliver like work list for the times that I've been working for the community. So I had to go there before going home, and it is snowing, guys. I showed you guys a little video earlier today, but now it's worse. You can excuse me, you can barely move. Like, I had to use an umbrella because it was just my face. Normally I would put my scarf around my head, but I was like, I will make it, and it gets wet since it's a lot of snow. But we made it. There are not so many people here today. So far so good. The year has been going perfectly fine. I've worked out 3 days already, 3 more days to go this week, and we're done and we achieved the goal. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I always post when I'm at the gym, or just like a little picture, you know, just to, I guess, motivate you guys. So if you guys would also like to, you know, get into like the workout spirit, or get into like the healthy life, I guess, let me know. Hey guys, so it's 6 minutes past 11 p.m. I finished work at 11. Gonna go home and try to edit the video. I have to edit the video for tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know why I feel like this lens is not focused at all, but I'm gonna fix it. I'll try to do something about it. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.